Alright, this is a cold start video for my 1988 E30 M3. I just popped the hood to make it easier. So the car has not been turned on at all. It's as cold as it can be. My hands are here. I'll put my hand on the exhaust. Holding on to the exhaust there. Alright, nice and cold. Make sure I have the keys. Got the keys here. Found a period correct old new stock keychain. When I first bought this car 3 years ago. And my friends make fun of me, but I still use a cassette player on this car. I have some pretty cool cassettes in here. They have Social Distortion. Since I'm a Back to the Future fan, and I have over the top soundtrack. And of course, Back to the Future. As you can see, I'm a Back to the Future fan. Big 80s fan. Anyways, okay, cold start here. So everything works. No smoke at all. Motor's nice and strong. No vibration. Smoke. Close the door. I took the dash cover off for the test drive. Sorry about the glare. Take off. I'm driving this vehicle to my tire shop to put on the lift to do some undercarriage photos as well. Temperature slowly rising. Open this window here. Windows work. Roof work, or sunroof, shall I say, works. I keep it vented up like that. Signals. Headlights. Stereo works. I wonder what's the code is on because I just replaced the battery. So I will change the code in the test drive video right now. I have to lock my door. I'll be back in a few with the test drive. Thank you.